Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy ornaments from paper towel rolls. So let's get started. One roll like this for my paper towel will give you 9 ornaments. So I've gone ahead and I have cut them out, and you could measure these. I usually just cut them out freehand. As long as you've got a pretty good eye, you can cut these approximately 1/8 of an inch, and I've gone ahead and I've cut them out. Now you can either use some Elmer's glue or a glue gun. I'm going to use a glue gun today because it's instant. And I have a wet sponge here where I can wet my fingers. And if you wet your fingers, you won't burn yourself with a glue gun. So I'm going to take one, and there's where it was folded. So I'm going to place those 2 folds together like that. And I'm going to glue them with my hot glue gun. Like that. So I'm going to glue 4 of these together and put it right in the center. And I'll dab my fingers in the water. And the last one. And one more. Dab on that center. Position it and pinch. So there's number 1. I folded it like that, so I'm going to bring those 2 folds together like that and glue them. And so I have this one and this one. And I have all these left, and I'm going to glue them together all along here. Okay, so I have 3 glued together in 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm just going to glue them all together. So the next one, and the next one. Like that. So I'm just going to put a little puddle of Elmer's glue here, and I'm going to brush the glue on here, and then I'm going to hold it over another clean section and sprinkle it with glitter. So take this, and I'm going to do half of the ornament at a time. So brush this on. Bring my clean plate over, and then just sprinkle this with glitter. Like that. So I'm just going to set that aside to dry, and I'm going to do the other ones. And I'm going to set it aside to dry.